Alright guys, welcome back. Another video, WRXGarage. Maybe. So we got a new car on the channel. My cousin Max got a new BRZ. And we're doing an exhaust. He's had it for 3 days. Let's do it. All right, real easy. Take these all off, pull it off the hangers. This thing will come down 2 seconds. Let's go.
I want to be great.
We gotta take out those bolts. This last hanger, this is coming down. These are just these two, and these 2 bolts. Ours were rusted, so we had to cut off the bolts so we can still use the exhaust if he wants to go to stock ever again. This one goes first, then this one, then that one. We're gonna show you when it's on. Let's see how this fits real quick. So that's what it'll look like. So it fills the space way, way, way more. That's awesome.
It's sticking out the same length.
All right, dual tip. They come polished or stainless. Clamp here. It's all very easy. 2 hangers over here, 2 hangers, reuse the hangers. And you got a clamp here, and then it's the 2 bolts down by the downpipe. Definitely a little bit lighter. Let's hear how it sounds. All right, here we go. Cold start. Max, you ready?
No, I'm not. Ready?
Yep.
Rev it.
That's very deep. I like that a lot. You could rev it a bunch. It is very respectable.
It's fun.
In the cabin, it's not too loud. I like it. Drives good. I do want a BRZ.
It's a fun car.
It is a lot of fun. But it's not unbearable because you had what, the Legacy straight pipe before,
Yeah, that
and
thing was loud.
It was kind of unbearable for long drives. This will be fine.
Exactly. On the highway, this won't be too loud when that thing is screaming.
All the way up to 7,000 RPMs.
It's fucking awesome.
It wasn't unbearable. It'll get a little bit louder when the muffler,
oh yeah,
you know, adjusts and breaks in.
No, but it's running good. Sounds nice.
Downshifts so nicely. I think this transmission was better than my WRX one. Absolute fucking blast. Man, I miss driving stick.
Yeah. The old F-150 isn't as...
No, it definitely does not have this smile, you know.
Yeah, no smile factor.
Yeah, no smiles per gallon on that one. But, oh man, I can't wait to get into this thing. But not crazy loud. If you're just in the morning, getting to work,
nice,
you're not going to piss off your neighbors at all.
No.
Very, very, very good. I can't wait to hear what this sounds like with the downpipe down the road. I think it'll open it up and make it like the perfect loudness. But right now, it's awesome. For a Catback exhaust, very, very, very happy with that. Whew. All right, well, that sounded pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. Thank you, FactionFab, for sending us the BRZ exhaust for Max. I don't know if you guys saw on camera, he was so excited, but we're going to be a bunch more BRZ stuff. Let us know what you guys want to see first. Lip, coilovers, downpipe, supercharger. I don't know. We're going to see. So we got that on the channel. We got a couple more stuff coming, couple new cars coming. So stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it to the end of the video, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.